Okay, so now we put our label on. The labels are placed on the map for every feature in the layer, but labeling in this case is not particularly helpful since there are so many labels. The initial label placement is based on default Maplex engine rules using the Class 1 label class. Label classes are used to specify detailed aspects of how labels are positioned and symbolized. Next, we're going to modify the label class so that it labels only those libraries that have an unknown public Wi-Fi status. So we're going to click the Label Class SQL button. So we have to find it right here. All right, and I'm going to drag in the middle. And on the SQL query tab, we're going to build a query in which library Wi-Fi is equal to unknown, and then we're going to click OK, so that our equation will be SQL right here. Add a clause, so the field public Wi-Fi right here equal to unknown. Click Add, and we're going to click Add, and then we will apply. Optionally, use the label expression to change the labels from all uppercase letter to title case. A label expression is used to format labels using Python, Visual Basic script, or JavaScript logic. Try applying the Python expression. Anchor name title to the label class. The title text function formats the label to title case. For example, Salem City Library becomes Salem City Library. So all the uppercase into only the first letter capitalized. Anyway, the total number of labels has been reduced. Let me move out a little bit. So and only labels for libraries that have an unknown public Wi-Fi status are shown. Next, we're going to adjust the label class symbol properties. Alright, so we're going to do is in the label class pane, we're going to click symbol. And then we will do is we're gonna go to appearance. In the label class pane, we click the symbol. And then we clicked the general tab. We expand appearance and change the font to Calibre. We're going to change the font to Calibre. Calibre. Alright. And then font style, it will be regular. Change it into bold. So, and then font size, we will reduce to 8. And then the gray outline color, text fill symbol, we will do more color symbols. So we will do 60% gray, 60% gray, click OK. And then the color, and then we will click apply. There. A lot smaller, but you still can see something stack each other. So collapse appearance and expand halo. We're going to expand halo, and we will do select Y fill 50% Y fill halo symbol. Select Y for halo symbol. So it will be 50% transparent. Oh, I have to look. 50% transparent, 50% transparent, gray. No, select white. 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 No shade. No background. White fill, 50% transparency. White fill. Where is white fill? White field. Halo symbol. That's weird. Halo symbol. Let's go to halo, halo color, halo symbol. Yeah. White fill. Yeah, white fill, 50% transparency. Alright, and then we're going to click apply. The label now look more eligible and on the map. However, they still look clustered closely together. We will adjust the label class position next. So in the label class pane, so we will do position. So compared to ArcMap, of course, you see more options here. So we're going to click symbol position, and under position tab, and then we're going to explain placement and ensure best position is selected in the label placement drop-down list. And we're going to change the measure offset to exact symbol outline. Exact symbol outline. So, and then we go to the fitting strategy tab and expand stack. Fitting strategy and stack. And we're going to change maximum number of line from 3 to 2 to 2. All right. So a lot of tricks here. So what we did was back in the symbol that for the halo we did, and then position we changed the stack, and for the stack, and also for the position we did back here, position we did best position 1.100%, exact symbol outfit 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then we did fitting strategy, and we changed maximum number of line to 2. So the label only look properly placed without overcrowding. Remember that the entire map is labeled in the same way, so if you pan or zoom to see the rest of the map, the labels will dynamically redraw to label all visible features based on this label class. To prevent label from redrawing at different map scales, a label visibility range can be specified. So, then we will back on labeling, and here we will set up right here invisibility range. On the labeling, we're going to enter out beyond. It will be 1 versus 45 1 2 3 4 in the output, and click enter. So if we zoom out, then you don't see the label. So we will create another label class to label more features, this time for Utah counties. This label class will provide more visual information for the map readers. Then we're going to enable the counties layer. And then in the layer class pane, we're going to click class and then the pane option. So label class now it changed it into counties. we're going back to class. That we will do is rename the label class to county boundaries. So then we will have to go rename label class, say county boundaries. County boundary. All right, and then we're going to click the symbol, and under the general tab, that we're going to do is, so let's do one at a time. We do not have to do any definition query, then it will be in symbol right now. And you remember last time we were in Halo, we under the general tab, expand appearance. So appearance is right here, and we're going to do is change the font name to century with a C, century. And from style, we will do regular, and the size, it will be 7. And then the out color, color will be raw amber. More color, raw amber. Where do I find raw amber? Type raw amber. Cannot find that color. Color to raw amber. More color. Alright, raw amber. Where did it go? Raw amber. Maybe find another way to put the color. Polygon symbols. Oh, right here. Raw amber. Come on. Okay, raw amber. Okay. And then click apply. And it's in color, not text field thing. And then we're going to do position. And under the position tab, expand the placement. All right. And that we're going to do is boundary placement. Okay. We chose boundary placement in the drop-down list. So the county labels switch from the default regular placement to boundary placement, which means that they follow very closely to the boundary lines. And this type of labeling allows readers to easily locate boundaries on a map. Place along boundary. Perfect. And we can read through placement, allow single-sided labeling, allow boundary labeling of polygon holes. Through that, everything is fine. And we're going to click the this one is conflict resolution tab, and expand repeat minimum. So we will do minimum interval to 4 inches. So we're going to do 4. Map units will be inches. And create a new label class and experiment with label placement, fitting strategy, and conflict resolution. We have to place this a little bit more. So now we're going to create a map layout that readers will be able to use, learn more about the broadband availability in different parts of Utah. So right now, we do have everything, and we don't have to click OK or save. I think everything